Hello, everyone. This is Dan Gramza, and welcome to dangramza.com market studies for Thursday, July 9th. We're seeing a market that's got mixed signals here. It's breaking to the downside, but we're seeing what I call consistency of behavior as we talked about in the advanced video. This does imply further movement to the upside in the Russell. I wouldn't be surprised to see that Asia a little firmer, but that would be the behavior that we're looking for. Consistency in terms of movement to the upside. The euro, well, it shows that the US dollar is a little weaker. I have a hard time imagining that being sustainable. In other words, that the euro will follow through in a dramatic fashion. Follow through to the upside, yes. A dramatic move to the upside, that's not what I'm looking for in that market. And when it comes to the 10-year notes, yields are increasing as those tensions increase as well. And we see it reflected when we think about metals. In the silver market, that's what we're seeing here. That weakness is a part of reflected as a part of that yield issue in the 10-year notes. Difference here, sell to buy level, $4,500. The market traded above that buy level and it failed as it broke to the downside. So interesting setup in that market. And when we look at nat gas, this is a market that also is giving us a mixture of signals. It is not sure what direction it wants to go. I don't see a big rally or a big break in this market. I think it's going to stay in a sideways mode. Dollar difference buy to sell level, $400 a contract. Soybeans. Here's a market that's just waiting on info. It wants to go higher, but it needs a fundamental reason to do that. And right now, it just hasn't surfaced. So bias still for a move to the upside, and it'll be interesting to see over the next couple of days if we do indeed get that impetus to move that market forward. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you for sharing your day with me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. And as always, take care.